Okay, let's continue for the 11th question. Conduction electrons almost are uniformly distributed within a conducting plate. So let's see. So this is called as a conducting plate. Okay, so in this conducting plate, electrons are almost all uniformly distributed within a conducting plate when the placed in the electrostatic field. Then electric field inside the plate. In the absence of electric field, the electric field is equal to 0. The charges or resides only the what? Surface of the metal plate. What is inside the electric field on the plate is 0. So when this plate is placed on the uniform electric field, okay, this is a plate. The plate is placed on the uniform electric field. Then the charges are accumulated. Electric field is starting from positive charge and terminated with negative charge. The electrons are accumulated on this plate. Okay, the positive charges are accumulated on the other side because of due to unlike charges. Unlike charges are attraction. So inside electric field, when it is applied to it, the electric field is applied electric field is this direction. Now inside the conductor this is a positive charges are accumulated, this is the negative charges are accumulated. So that is a induced electric field. It will be starting here. This is called as induced electric field. Applied electric field. So electric field anna jaasti madadanga induced electric field because more and more charges are accumulated. Okay, hagagi induced electric field kuda jaasti aagta hogutte. It will be what? Obey for the Newton's third law. So then what is the net electric field inside the conductor? Net electric field is equal to EA minus EI. So both are same magnitude. Inside, okay, inside the plate electric field is equal to how much? 0. So that is a option A is the right answer for the what? 11th question. So then move to the 12th question. So 12th question is the electric field near the sheet having uniform charge density is sigma. Okay, so let's see. This is the uniform charge density. It is a like that. So this is a charges. Then the charges are produces the electric field in the outward direction. Okay, so sheet indre idu 1ನೇ phase, idu 2ನೇ phase. It will be like that. This is called as a what? Gaussian surface. Okay, what is the electric field? So now you have already derived for this one. So electric field is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught and normal to the surface. Surface ಗೆ normal ಆಗಿ electric field ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ normal to the surface. Okay, which is the right answer for this one? That is a sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught and normal to the surface. That is a option D is the right answer for the 12th one. Okay, next move to the 13th question. Okay, so 13th question anna nodi, the electric intensity of electric field. So we know that electric field is equal to equation ide, that is a 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is Q divided by what? R square. So now that is equal to, so 1 divided by 4 pi ge no unit, epsilon naught illi charge ide. So charge andre C coulomb, epsilon naught unit and already derive ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So the epsilon naught is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So C square divided by what? Newton meter square. So this is a epsilon naught unit. Okay, epsilon naught. Then that is called as electric permittivity of free space. R square is what? Meter square. So then meter square cancel, 1c cancel. So final again birthday, that is the Newton per coulomb. So this is one more. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು the relation between electric field and potential that is equal to minus dV by what? dr. So V andre potential unit is what? Volt, and dr distance, meter. So that is a volt per watt meter. So you have a 2 units for electric field. So let's see, that is a Newton per coulomb. This is the option A is the right. Joule alla, volt nodi, volt meter ide, volt per meter idre that is also right answer ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, Newton meter. So that is a option A is the right answer for the what? 13th question. Okay, let's move to the 14th question. Which of the following is deflected by the electric field? Nodi, so electric field, this is called as a electric field. Hagadre in this electric field it will be starting from positive and terminated with what? Negative. X-rays, so X-rays are moving in the straight direction, okay, without deviation. Deflected anta kelidane. So that is a gamma rays. Gamma rays are called as what? Neutral, uncharged. Hagagi these are also moving in the straight line. Neutrons, neutral, these are also moving straight lines. Alpha particles yav charge? Alpha particles are positive charge, so that will be alpha particles are deflected on the this side. So hagadre which is the right answer? That is a option D is the right answer for the 14th question. So let's move to the 15th question. So 15th question nodi, an electron is moving towards the x-axis. So electron moving towards the x-axis, electric field is along y direction. So then that is a electric field yav direction alide? Electric field is y direction. So this is a direction of what? Electric field. So electric field y direction alide. So then electron is what? In the x-axis. So x-axis alli electrons hogta idave. Hagadre what is the path is here? Nodi, already you have discussion for this in the theory part. So yav path alli hogtave? So these are moving in what? So parabola path. That is a option C is the right answer. So parabola equation anna adu satisfied madutte. Okay, next one is 16th question. A proton enters in the electric field with velocity in the direction of electric field lines force. So these are called as electric field lines force. So in this electric field alli proton enagutte? Proton enters the electric field within the velocity in the direction of field lines. Okay, so proton ide direction alli hogutte. So ide direction alli hogodilla, this is called as a electric field is starting from positive and terminated with negative. Proton is a positive charge. Positive enagutte? It will be repulsive. So this proton is moving in the what? Straight direction. Okay, so which is the right answer? The path of the proton will be the what? Straight line. That is a option C is the right answer for the what? 16th question. So now let's move to the 17th question. So 17th question anna nodi, an electric dipole when placed in the uniform electric field E will have minimum potential energy if the direction of the dipole makes following angle. So this is called as a what? This is the electric field. So E electric field alli now you have to place it the dipole. So dipole is a pair of the positive negative charges separated by the distance, that is a 2a. Okay, from negative to the positive, this is the direction of what? So this is a direction of from negative charge in the positive charge, that is a dipole direction. Okay, hagadre we know that equation energy is equal to what? Energy is equal to PE sin theta. Hagadre what is theta? Theta is a angle between electric dipole moment and electric field. Okay, so we have to nodi, now we have to put minimum anta helidane. So this is the minimum. So minimum means that is, so sin yavag minimum agutte? That should be 0 degree. So that is a dipole and electric field both are placed in what? Parallel. So parallel, that should be the answer is what? That is a option C is the right answer, 0 degree. So let's move to the next 18th question. An electric dipole is kept on the uniform electric field. It experiences. Okay. So nodi, already you have seen that one. Okay, nodidiralli figure alli. So this is the what? This is a dipole placed on the uniform electric field. So hadre illi enagutte, this is a positive charge, force is equal to nodi. So force, this is a positive. So positive force will be experiences this direction. So this force is equal to enagirutte E into what? Q. Yakandre electric field is equal to force divided by charge. Okay, then this is a positive, this is a force. So the force is equal to E into Q. The direction of these two are opposite. The net force is equal to enagirutte illi, net force is equal to 0. So in what? In uniform electric field. So net force is 0 means it is produces only the what? Torque. Okay. So a torque not for what? 0. That is a option C is the right answer for the 18th question. Andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 19th question. An electric dipole is kept on non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform electric field andre, so this is called as the electric field lines are like that. This is a non-uniform electric field. So non-uniform electric field alli ittaga enagutte, it experiences force and what? Torque ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ರೀಸನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next, move to the 12th question. The electric field due to the dipole at a distance r, that is a plus q charge and minus q charge separated by the distance r. What is the electric field on the what? Axis alli kelidane. So axis alli appa antandre ನೋಡಿ, electric field at the axis is equal to n ಬರುತ್ತೆ k 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So 2p divided by what? r cube ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ how it is related? So that is a electric field on the axis is inversely proportionality to the r cube. So equatorial ನಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ equatorial. So this is a equatorial. So equatorial ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So that is electric field on the equatorial is equal to kp divided by n ಬರುತ್ತೆ r cube. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ which is the right answer? That is a inversely proportionality to the r cube. That is a option B is the right answer. Okay, so let's you have to discussion for the what? 21 question in the next video lecture. Okay, so please you have to subscribe the channel and motivate to what? Uploading for the more videos. Okay, thank you.